It sounds like you're looking for information on potential opportunities that offer the possibility of earning $7 every minute. While this is quite a high income rate, there are several approaches you might consider to earn income consistently. Here are some ideas. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing lets you offer services based on your skills, whether that's writing, graphic design, coding, or consulting. Platforms to consider. Upwork, a large marketplace where you can find clients looking for various types of services. Create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and set a competitive hourly rate. Fiverr, you can create service listings or gigs starting at $5. If you provide high-quality work, you can increase your prices as you gain positive reviews. Freelancer.com, similar to Upwork, it allows you to bid for jobs, making it highly competitive yet rewarding if you successfully showcase your expertise. Tips for success. Build a strong portfolio to showcase your best work. Network and build relationships with clients for repeat business. Consider niche specialization to stand out. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a specific subject, like math, science, language arts, and so on, online tutoring can be a lucrative way to share your knowledge. Platforms to explore. VIP Kid, teach English to students in China. You set your own schedule and can earn up to $22 per hour. Chegg Tutors offers a flexible platform for various subjects. You can earn money by answering student questions in real time. Wyzant allows you to create a profile and connect with students looking for tutoring in specific subjects. Tips for success. Prepare engaging lessons and materials. Be patient and supportive. Many students appreciate a friendly approach. Get certified if necessary, as some platforms prefer tutors with teaching credentials. 3. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale generated through your referral. How to start. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Choose a niche that you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Create content such as blogs, videos, or social media posts that attracts an audience interested in your niche. Tips for success. Focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Use SEO strategies to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Build an email list to capture leads and promote products directly. All right, let's dive into content creation. Creating engaging content on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can lead to monetization through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. So, how do you get started? First, choose a niche you love and understand. Then, create and consistently post high-quality content. Engage with your audience to build a community. Now let's talk about monetization options. The YouTube Partner Program allows you to earn through ads once you meet eligibility requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Sponsorships are another great way to monetize. You can collaborate with brands to promote their products in your content in exchange for payment. For tips on success, stay on top of trends to attract more views. Invest in good equipment like a camera and microphone to enhance content quality. And don't forget to collaborate with other creators to reach new audiences. Day trading. It involves buying and selling stocks, options, or Forex to capitalize on market fluctuations for profit. To get started, you should educate yourself through books, online courses, or mentorship. Use trading platforms like TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, or Robinhood to begin trading. But remember, day trading can be extremely risky, and many traders lose money. It requires a sound strategy, significant time commitment, and discipline. For success, start with a demo account to practice without financial risk. Develop a solid trading plan, including clear entry and exit strategies. And manage your risk carefully. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Task-based platforms. These are websites that allow you to complete small tasks for payment. Popular options include TaskRabbit, where you can find local tasks like furniture assembly, cleaning, or running errands, and earn money based on the tasks you complete. Another option is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or MTurk, where you can complete micro-tasks, such as surveys or data entry for small payments. While it may not directly translate to $7 a minute, efficiency can increase your earnings. For success, focus on tasks that align with your skills to complete them more quickly. Build a good rating to attract more clients on TaskRabbit, and set a schedule to maximize efficiency. Creating online courses. If you have expertise in a field, creating online courses can be a lucrative way to earn passive income. Platforms to consider include Udemy, a well-established platform to host your courses. They handle marketing, and you earn money each time someone enrolls. Another option is Teachable, which allows more control, so you can choose pricing, and you keep a larger portion of the earnings. To get started, identify a topic that people want to learn about. Create the course content. Consider video lessons, written materials, and interactive components. Promote your course through social media, blogging, or email marketing. For success, focus on creating high-quality content that offers real value. Use engaging visuals and presentations in your videos, and encourage feedback to continuously improve your course. While the idea of earning $7 a minute might not be achievable in every instance, many of these options can potentially lead to high income over time if you leverage your skills and market effectively. Key considerations include staying wary of scams promising quick money without effort. Invest time in learning and development to improve your skills. Network and build genuine relationships in your field to create opportunities. Explore which avenue resonates with you the most, and take actionable steps toward building a sustainable income stream. It's crucial to be realistic about the time and effort required, but with dedication and perseverance, many of these paths can lead to significant financial rewards.